Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Qanda app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here. So when you just click here on menu here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to an exit here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just come here to autosave recent search history. Click here in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here autosave recent search history enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.